Alright DIYs, I'm just working my way out now. The final stretch. It all gets a little bit squeezy. But it's better to come over as far as you can, so you're not taking out, you know, dragging back too much width. The skinnier the better. Then you got less chance of going wiggly wobbly. Just move those. Wiggly wobbly. You don't have to be too flash there because the vanity is going there, covering all that. It's down, it's a vanity down to the floor. I was right in the first place. Yep. Pop that one in. Pop that one in. Where's my rubber hammer? Jesus.
What's happening? There's tomorrow on Monday.
It's just a little bit low. It was. Give me big tiles any day. You're always looking at your lines, people. Pressing it into place. Right, we need a few at that. Always allow a little bit. I'm short of that pattern tile because they want to strip in this toilet as well. But they're coming tomorrow, I think. But I'll have plenty to do. I'll be into that wall tomorrow. The subway tiles. That's good. That's good. Okay, we'll see you soon.